Well, good morning. I'm giving you a quick look in my Wal-Mart beauty box, and this is a quarterly subscription, so every 3 months they'll send you a new box filled with some sample size item. The first item in the box today is the TRESemne new formula no visible residue volumizing dry shampoo. It's 1.15 ounce, and that's definitely a sample size. This new nail polish, it's P2 volume gloss gel look. The color is really pretty though. I'm gonna try this out and we'll see how it comes out. Really pretty color on this P2 nail polish. The Gold Bond Radiance Renewal, coconut oil, coconut butter, African shea butter, exfoliate and nourishes visible dry skin. That's a 0.75 ounce container. And one of the second to last item is Plackers. They're super tough floss, unique handle design, and they are fold away protected fold away protected pick. They're used to take plaque from your teeth. It's called, and there's micro mint and they freshens breath. 12 dental flossers in a travel case, perfect size. The final item out the box is Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. Yes, restores skin while sleeping. I guess you sleep in this mask to get your beauty on while you sleep. Net weight is 10 grams, which is 0.35 ounce. Nutrients rich white gold, known commonly as donkey milk. Alrighty, okay, I'll give this sleeping mask a try and see how it works. Alrighty, those are the 5 items plus a coupon for the Plackers. It's a 35-cent coupon for the Plackers that came also. Alright, that's all that came this month in my Wal-Mart beauty box. So thank you for coming in and watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Be well, be blessed, and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see when I'm doing some more unboxing. See you next time.